Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Cash App not letting me link my card issue. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, linking issues happen due to outdated versions. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and check for updates. If an update is available, install it and try linking your card again. If updating does not work, try manually adding your bank account instead. Open the Cash App, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Linked Banks. Choose Link Debit Card. Instead of entering card details, select No Card and tap Continue. A list of supported banks will appear. If you use Wells Fargo, select it and log in using your bank credentials. Once linked, your bank account and its associated card will connect automatically. If you still cannot link your card, try using a web browser on a PC or laptop. So that's basically how you can fix the Cash App not letting me link my card issue. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.